Assalamu alaikum viewers, from behalf of your live team I am here. Today's our topic is World Bank Group. The World Bank is the international financial institution that provides loans and grants to the government of the poorer countries for the purpose of pursuing capital projects. It comprises two institutions: the International Bank for the Reconstruction and the Development and International Development Association, the IDA. The World Bank is a component of the World Bank Group. The World Bank most recent state goal is the reduction of poverty. As of November 2018, the largest recipient of the World Bank loans were India, $859 million in 2018, and China, $370 million in 2018, and through loans from IBRD. World Bank Groups. The World Bank Group is an extended family of the five international organizations and the parent organization of the World Bank, and the collective name given to the first two listed organizations, the IBRD and the IDA. International Bank of Reconstruction and Development, IBRD; International Development Association, IDA; International Financial Corporation, IFC; Multilateral Investment Guarantee Agency, MIGA; International Center for Settlement of the Investigation Disputes, ICSID. History. The World Bank was created at the 1944 Bretton Woods Conference. Although with the International Monetary Fund and the president of the World Bank is traditionally an American, the World Bank and the IMF are both based in the Washington DC and work closely with each other. Although many countries were represented at the Bretton Woods Conference, the United States and United Kingdom were the most powerful in the attendance and dominated the negotiation. The intention behind the founding of the World Bank was to provide temporary loan to the low-income countries which were unable to obtain loans commercially. The bank may also make loans and demand policies reforms from the recipient. 1944 and 1974. In these earlier years, the bank made a slow start for the two reasons. It was underfunded, and there were leadership struggles between the U.S. executive director and the president of the organization. When the Marshall Plan went into the efforts in 1947, many European countries began receiving aid from other sources. Faced with this competition, the World Bank shifted its focus on to non-European countries. Until 1968, its loans were embarked for the construction of infrastructure work such as seaports, highway system, and the power plants that would generate enough income to enable a borrower countries to repay the loan. In 1960, the International Development Association was formed as opposed to a United Nations fund named Sunfeed, providing soft loans to the developing countries. Before 1974, the reconstruction and development loans provided by the World Bank were relatively small, and the bank's some staff were aware of the need to instill confidence in the bank. Fiscal conservatism ruled, and loan applications had to meet strict criteria. The first country to receive a World Bank loan was France. The bank's president at the time, the John Maclay, chose France over two other applicants, Poland and Chile. The loan was US $250 million, half the amount requested, and it came with the strict condition. France had to agree to produce a balanced budget and give the priority of the debt repayment to the World Bank over other government. World Bank staff closely monitored the use of the funds to ensure that the French government met the condition. In addition, before the loan was approved, the United States State Department told the French government that its members associated with the Communist Party would first have to be removed. The French government compelled and removed the Communist coalition government, the so-called Tripartite. Within hours, the loan to the France was approved.